Hi everyone, here's NAS Area Studio and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about how to make friends and build strong connections. I know firsthand how intimidating it can be to try and make new friends, especially if you're new to an area or just looking to expand your social circle. That's why I wanted to share some tips that have helped me confidently make new friends and build strong connections. Having a strong social support system is important for our mental health and overall well-being, and I hope these tips will help you do the same. Be open and approachable. One of the most important things you can do when trying to make new friends is to be open and approachable. This means smiling and making eye contact with those around you, and starting a conversation with a friendly greeting. It's okay to be a little nervous when approaching someone new, but just try your best to be friendly and welcoming. Good body language is also important, such as maintaining eye contact, uncrossing your arms, and standing up straight. By being open and approachable, you're showing that you're interested in connecting with others and that you're a friendly person. Find common interests. Finding common interests and hobbies is a great way to connect with others and form stronger connections. Whether it's joining a club, attending events, or taking a class in something you're interested in, there are plenty of ways to meet like-minded individuals. It's also important to be open to trying new things and stepping out of your comfort zone, as this can lead to unexpected connections and friendships. So don't be afraid to try something new and see where it takes you. Be an active listener. When you're having a conversation with someone new, it's important to be an active listener. This means maintaining eye contact, asking open-ended questions, and paraphrasing what the other person has said to show that you understand. It's not just about waiting for your turn to speak, but really listening to what someone has to say and showing genuine interest in their thoughts and opinions. By being an active listener, you're creating a deeper connection and understanding between you and the other person. Be yourself. One of the most important things you can do when making new friends is to be yourself. This means being genuine, open, and honest about your thoughts and feelings, and not pretending to be someone you're not just to fit in. Share your interests and passions, and don't be afraid to be a little vulnerable. It's okay to let your true personality shine through, and this can help create a deeper connection and trust with others. So be yourself and let your unique qualities shine. Follow up and keep in touch. After making a new connection, it's important to follow up and make an effort to stay in touch. Whether it's through text, email, or social media, keep the conversation going and show that you value their friendship. It's also important to be consistent in maintaining these connections and not just reaching out when you need something. By following up and keeping in touch, you're showing that you value the friendship and want to continue building upon it. Conclusion. In conclusion, making new friends takes time and effort, but it's all about being open and genuine. By following these tips, such as being open and approachable, finding common interests, being an active listener, and being yourself, you can confidently make connections and build strong friendships. Don't be afraid to be a little vulnerable, and remember to follow up and keep in touch with those you've made connections with. Having a strong social support system is important for our mental health and overall well-being, so be patient and kind to yourself if it doesn't happen right away. And remember, you can also be a positive influence on others and help them build strong connections as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips were helpful.